Today, I want to share with you one of the most comforting and traditional Italian dishes beef stew with potatoes and peas. This is the kind of recipe that reminds me of home, of slow Sundays, of meals that cook gently while filling the kitchen with amazing aromas. It's simple, rustic, and full of flavor, made with basic ingredients but cooked with patience and love. Here are ingredients that we need. For the broth, onion, carrot, celery, and salt. And for the beef stew, beef, onion, carrot, celery, tomato paste, white wine, olive oil, salt, and black pepper, potato, peas. First of all, we start with the broth. For a good homemade broth, we always keep it very simple. Onion, carrot, celery, and a bit of salt. We cut the vegetables into large pieces because we just want the exact their flavor, not eat them. A light vegetables broth like this is perfect for stew because it adds flavor without overpowering the meat. Add vegetables to a pot with water, add a little salt, cover and cook for 30 minutes. Now we prepare the soffritto, which is the base of many Italian recipes. Here it's important to cut the onion, carrot and celery into small, even cubes so they cook gently and release all their sweetness. Take your time with the knife. Uniform pieces mean even cooking and better flavor. For the beef, we cut it into medium-sized pieces, not too big and not too small. This way the meat stays juicy and becomes tender during the long cooking time. Choose a cut suitable for slow cooking. Tougher cuts become incredibly soft when cooked slowly. In a large pot, add a little olive oil and start cooking the sofrito over medium heat. Let the vegetables soften slowly. We don't want them to burn, just to release their aroma. Now we add the beef to the pot and let it brown slightly. This step is very important because browning the meat adds depth and richness to the stew. Don't overcrowd the pot. The meat should brown, not boil. At this point, we add a sprig of fresh rosemary. Rosemary gives the stew a deep, earthy aroma that pairs perfectly with beef. Now we deglaze with white wine. Let it cook for about 10 minutes so the alcohol evaporates and only the flavor remains. Next, we add a little tomato paste. This doesn't make the stew too tomato heavy. It just gives colors, balance, and a deeper flavor. Always mix the tomato paste well so it coats the meat evenly. Season with salt and black pepper, then mix everything well. Now we start adding the broth little by little. The meat should be covered but not browned. Adding the broth gradually helps control the texture of the stew. Lower the heat, cover the pot and let it cook slowly for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Low heat and patient. About 5 minutes before the cooking time is over, we peel the potatoes and cut them into medium cubes. Cut the potato evenly so they cook at the same time. When the time is up, add the potatoes and peas to the stew. Adding them later keeps the potatoes from falling apart and the peas nice and bright. Cover and cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. A little fresh parsley at the end makes all the difference. It adds color, freshness, and balance. And here it is, our beef stew with potatoes and peas. Tender meat, rich sauce, and simple ingredients coming together in a perfect comfort dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and write a comment below. Thank you so much for cooking with us. See you in the next recipe.